Proclamation, Week of Appreciation, bringing help, bringing hope. Thank you. April 29th through May the 3rd, 2019. Whereas the members of the Clermont County Opiate Task Force are committed to leading Clermont County and expressing our gratitude and appreciation to all county members working on the front lines in the fight against Ohio's opiate epidemic. And whereas the Clermont County Mental Health and Recovery Board, as the county hub for addressing the opiate epidemic, will nurture and reinforce county and community efforts to prevent and treat addiction, including opioids, educate youth and adults about addiction and recovery, promote family building and workforce development as a way of combating the effects of addiction on communities, and encourage community engagement in efforts to address addiction, including opioids and its impact on our county. Whereas a collaboration of many county agencies, organizations, and individuals have been and are still working to build a comprehensive system of prevention, education, intervention, interdiction, treatment, and recovery for all the citizens of Clermont County. And whereas positive outcomes continue to increase in the county for those impacted by addiction because of these efforts. And whereas through this work, Clermont County will continue to bring hope to our community and build the understanding that treatment works and people recover. Whereas the Clermont County Commissioners, in partnership with the members of the Opiate Task Force, Mental Health and Recovery Board, pledge our support for the individuals, family members, professionals throughout our community who are bringing help and bringing hope by working day in and day out to save lives, provide treatment, assist families, and support recovery in Clermont County. Now therefore let it be proclaimed that we, the Clermont County Board of Commissioners, do hereby proclaim the week of April 29th through May 3rd as the Bringing Help, Bringing Hope, Thank You Week of Appreciation in Clermont County, in recognition of the many efforts that have occurred in the county to address the heroin epidemic, which have assisted many residents to achieve recovery. Karen, on behalf of the Board of Clermont County Commissioners, I ask that you accept this proclamation for this week.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you very much. And you, if you have a few words. Thank you.
Hi, again, I'm Karen Scher. I'm the Executive Director of the Clermont County Mental Health and Recovery Board, and I just want to share some of the things that are going on in the month of May, actually, for Appreciation Week. We couldn't get it all done this week. This Thursday, or tomorrow, we are going to be going to the police chief's meeting, and all of the police departments are going to get a plaque from the Opiate Task Force to thank them for the many things they have done in the past year to aid in these efforts. And then we will be at the fire chief's meeting on May 23rd. They will also all get plaques to honor them as well. Anybody who's not there, we will go and meet with them. We are also in the process of gathering thank you videos and thank you notes from individuals in recovery who have been helped by people in this community. And those notes and videos are going to be put all together in one video, and we are going to share that with first responders and other places throughout the county. Our big event is going to be our monthly Opiate Task Force meeting. It's on May 9th. We are moving it from its usual location at the Sheriff's Office to the Child Focused Training Center on Eichholz Road because we are hoping for more people to attend. And we are going to highlight all the things that have happened over the past year. And all the agencies are going to be bringing their resources so that we can all share and make sure everyone knows what's going on. We highly recommend that people in the public attend if you really want to know what's going on, what's been happening, and maybe meet some of the people who are involved in fighting against addiction. We have postcards around the county advertising this, and we have been trying to advertise it on social media and such, so we are hoping for a really good attendance at that. In addition, the Ohio Association of County Behavioral Health Authorities, which is the statewide trade association for boards like mine, directors like me, they are going to be honoring first responders and champions of recovery at their opiate conference in June. And we were allowed, as a board and Opiate Task Force, to submit nominations. We have 5 that will be being submitted today on behalf of our county, and we are very hopeful at least one, if not more, will be recognized by Awakaba for the work that they have done. And then just in general, I really wanted to acknowledge how many people have really played a part in helping us to get people into treatment and achieve recovery. There's the saying that everyone knows that it takes a village to raise a child. Well, it takes a community to get people into recovery. And we are incredibly blessed in this community to have people willing to come together and work together and to try to achieve that. For a period of several years, we had one of the highest death rates in the country from heroin. And I'm happy to say in the last 3 years, those overdose death rates have gone down, number of overdoses are going down. It's because so many people stepped up and helped out. And we would not be where we were without the first responders and everyone else who helped, starting with the commissioners on down. And we are incredibly grateful. And it also involved even just citizens in the community. We have had so many people step up who are just kind-hearted and want to do something. And this is an amazing county. And I would be remiss with the Sheriff's Department and everyone sitting here that Sheriff Leahy and his staff and deputies have been among the strongest supporters we have had for years. And again, I think they set a standard for the state and probably for the country, I think, for what we're able to do collectively. And I can't thank you enough for what's going on, and particularly this year. It's been a difficult year, and that has not changed anything. The dedication and the willingness to work together has not wavered, and I greatly appreciate from all of you. So again, if anybody is interested, May 9th, 2 o'clock at Child Focus Training Center on Eichholz Road, and we hope to really celebrate everything that we have been able to accomplish.